Welcome to Taiji's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make karaage. Karaage is a Japanese style fried chicken and it's probably the most liked food in Japan. It's found often in Bento-box, but also in Izakaya, which is a Japanese bar / restaurant. And it's really actually not that difficult to make. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for karaage. Here I have chicken thigh and chicken wings. I like these parts because they tend to be very juicy, but you can use, of course, other part of chicken. And then I have for the marinate, garlic and ginger, sugar, preferably brown sugar, soy sauce, sake. If you don't have sake, that's also okay. We use for the batter starch. I have here tapioca starch, but you can use any other starch like cornstarch, potato starch, or you could also substitute with flour if you don't have access to starch. And then we also have oil for frying. So let's debone the chicken. Here is the knee. I'm gonna cut through this knee part so it's gonna be easier. And then I'm gonna make a slice here and I'm going to cut through here so that easily deboned, and I'm going to cut alongside this leg bone like so. And the bottom part is finished. And then here, I have to kind of know the anatomy of the chicken. I'm gonna cut off the excess fat here. And here is the femur bone and here's the spine. So I'm gonna cut alongside the spine first and then reach to the femur bone and cut alongside this femur bone right here. And then I'm gonna go cut the top part here and then go around so, and I'm just gonna go alongside this bone again like the bottom part and then go through here like so. Then I'm finished deboning the chicken. So don't throw these away, you can make really good broth out of these. So I'm gonna leave to that. Then I'm going to cut these into pieces, bite-sized pieces, about the same size, so that when you fry them, they'll be cooked evenly. Like so, there's no really particular right way to cut this, just in even sizes. Here, like so, and I'm just gonna cut it like this. So this bottom part is finished, so I'm gonna cut these also in two pieces. I'm just gonna go through here along at the joint. So there's the easy part and there's some part is harder than others, so you just want to go through the joint right there. And then it's finished. Let's make the marinade. First of all, I'm going to grate the garlic in the bowl. And ginger. So here I'm going to put in the soy sauce. So, and sugar. And then also sake. Sake will make the chicken juicier and softer. And then that's finished for the marinade. So I'm gonna soak in chicken right in here, everything in. So I'm going to let this marinate for at least an hour to 4 or 5 hours. So an hour has passed. I made too much marinade, so I'm just gonna get a little bit extra out. I'm gonna use this sauce for some other dish. And then let's make the batter for the karaage. I'm going to put in starch, like so, and mix it well. So you want to have a batter that's not too watery. So this is a bit too watery. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. So go with the measuring amount. in the description, but if you think it's too watery, then put a little extra. If you think it's too powdery, then you can put less. It's better to have it too powdery than too watery. So this is actually pretty good. So let's fry. I'm going to put in here the vegetable oil. So, and then I'm going to turn on the heat to high until it reaches the heat of about 160 Celsius. In Fahrenheit, that is about 330 or so. So it reached about 150. I'm going to turn the heat to medium. Wait a little bit till it gets higher, because when we put in the chicken, the temperature will sink. So I want to get it a little bit higher. So it's about 160. I'm gonna put in first the wings. So the important thing about karaage is that you want to fry it twice. So I'm gonna cook this about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out and then let it sit for also 2 to 3 minutes, and then fry it again so that it cooks through but not burn the surface. So you see that the surface is browned up, so I'm going to take this out on the side, and I'm going to let it rest here so that the heat will go inside but without burning the whole thing. So I'm going to put in the second batch. The important thing in frying karaage or frying anything that you don't want to put in too much, because if you put in too much, then you'll sink down the temperature of the oil. And if it sinks down, then karaage will be too oily, and you don't want to have that. You want to have it crunchy, so don't put in too much. So I'm going to take these out. So we're going to turn the heat to high so that we fry this for the second time. We make the batter crunchy. So we're gonna heat it to about 200, because when we put these back in, it'll sink. So it reached 200, so I'm gonna put in the first batch that I fried. So I'm just gonna fry for about a minute. I'm gonna take them out. Then I'm gonna put in the first batch in. Turn the heat off. Itadakimasu. Oh, 美味しそう。うまそう。With karaage, I gotta have beer. I'm usually not a big drinker, but with karaage, you gotta have beer. うまそう。さあ。This crunch. And beer. Oishii. Oh, it's very well done. Well done, me. Oh, oishii. So, I don't know if you can hear the crunchy. Oh, so good. Perfect for beer. And here I have lemon. Squeeze a little bit of lemon on it. Give a little twist to it. It's also great. Oh, it's great. Oh god. This is heaven. Oh, it's also great with rice, of course. With chicken wing, you gotta eat with your chopstick. Not chopstick, your finger. Oh, so good. Meh. With lettuce, also good. It's perfect. ごちそうさまでした。いやー、美味しかった。That was delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you also try to make it at home. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.